Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how we can show date picker in Flutter and how we can get that date in the text field. For that, I'm creating again here the column, and inside the column we have a children. Inside this I take text field. One text field I'm taking here, and in the text field I require controller also. So I say controller. That would be the text controller. So I remove this all. It is used in previous, and here also I remove this and I use here controller. So I say final text editing controller, and here I say date picker equal to text editing controller. Like this, I need this, and I put here date picker like this. Now date controller is set. Now I say decoration. For decoration, I say input decoration. Here I say hint or hint text, I can say. And here I say here select your date, select date like this. Save this, and we will have this text field here, and then here I say main access dot center. Save this. So we will have in the center like this. This is column, so I can use padding also. I think here I can't use padding, so I use container. For that I say container, and here inside a container I say padding is this insert dot all. Here I say 10. So this is okay. Select date is there, and hint is there, and I say hint style, and I say hint text style, and here I say font weight dot bold, then I say font size 20. Save this. So you see something bigger, and inside this I need border also, and this border I just use here outline border, and here I say border radius is border radius dot circular. I say 10, and then inside this I say border side also. I say border side, and here I say color. I say colors dot, and I say black. Save this, and after that you have a border like this, and I want to put here icon also. So I say suffix icon, and in this suffix icon I say icon button like this, and here I have on press. So like this I have, and here I have icon also. I say icon icons dot CALEN calendar today. We have this. Save this. You see calendar is there. When I click on this, I should display date picker, and date should come here. For that I need to make a coding inside this on press. So for that I say date time question mark. I say date picker get date equal to, I should show date picker like this, and inside this I have to write these information. This is the information that I have to pass. Context we are getting here from here, no problem at all. Context is working, but I have to use here await, and I need to put await here also. Async, I have to put async here to avoid this. So date will picker, we will get date here, and first date, so current date. After the current date I want to show, or I can say custom date. So I say date time, and here I can put suppose I want 1981. So start and last date should be date time, and I say that should be 3000 like this. This is the way to use it. Why this is showing error? Okay, semicolon I need this. So this is the time, date time picker. Date time will come here. Then I say if this get date not equal to null. If it is not equal to null, means we are just set the date is coming, then I have to display date here. So that is date controller, date picker. So I say date picker dot text. Here I have to display. So here I have to display get date dot to string. Remember this I want to display, or I can display in the formatter. So that formatter is, I say date format. Here I pass the format of date. I say I want dd, mm, and yy I need. And then I say format, and that would be get date. Okay, so that format I want. So once you will select the date will come here, and this should be under set state, otherwise it would not update. So I just cut this, put under set update like this. Save this. Now you see whenever I click here, so I click here, it will display date and time. If I select any date, click OK, so date will come here. You see, I select once again, and here I click and I search here year, whatever you want. Then I search the month here, click here, any date, click here, and you see date will come here. So this is all about date picker in Flutter. In next video we will see how we can show time picker also. So that's all here in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.